Hello, creative artists, and welcome to another episode of Creative Skills Club. It is I, Diego. Oh, where did you come from? So with me today is the very silly and yes, very talented Addie, who is my guest artist today. You want to tell them what we're going to draw today?
Oh, yeah. A dachshund sitting in a teacup.
Yes, a Dachshund puppy, one of the cutest puppies around, sitting in a teacup. So we are going to go straight in with our Sharpies, and we're going to do a step-by-step, so it should be pretty easy to follow along. So get your paper, your Sharpie.
And let's get started!
Okay,
So what do you think?
let's start by getting your Sharpie. Get your paper all set up, and
I don't know how to draw.
we're going to start with our puppy's nose
So
first.
we're doing a puppy?
Yeah, it's a puppy.
Ah,
It's our little dachshund, or wiener dog.
you know that.
So
I've had a dog.
get your pen ready.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
We're gonna make like a little rounded triangle, like that. Mine's a little bit off to the left. Put it right in the middle of your paper.
Okay. I'm just
So then I'm gonna put its little
right
nostrils.
here.
Yeah, right in the middle.
Do a
Mine's a little off to the left, but that's okay.
That. And that.
And then little nostrils.
Color it in.
Nope, we're gonna do that in the coloring part.
Oh.
Okay, then just a little line down from the
That's
nose.
going to be a little mouthy.
Yeah, and then curve it around and make
Well,
it
actually,
like,
those are cheeks.
yeah, it's kind of like its muzzle. It's called a muzzle.
Oh, yeah, muzzle.
And then it's gonna curve around, give him a nice little smile. And then put his lower
Totally
chin,
the same. They look like the same.
lower chin, good. Now from the nose, we're gonna come up a little bit, kind of toward the inside just a little bit, good. And then from here, we're gonna follow that up and stop right around there. Go a little higher than that one. I'm gonna bring this in a little bit to show a little smile.
Like that?
Yeah. Okay, now his eyes. So we don't want to make them too big, but we do want to make them a little bit bigger because that makes it look cuter. So start by I'm going to make mine more like an oval.
Is that its eye?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's
I'm going to
close.
make 2 ovals.
One there. And one here.
Yeah, and then he's going to be looking up at us. He or she. Could be a girl dog.
Girl dog.
So then,
I'm going to do the eye shines.
yeah, so you do that and then do the eye sparkles on this part.
There.
Okay, yeah, we can color it in.
Now the other one.
Color our eyes in.
Look how cute mine is.
Oh, it's so cute.
Yours is too. We look.
Well, we are going to make him look even cuter than this so far.
I'm so good that they look the same.
Yeah, they look really
Oh
good.
my God.
Okay, now his little eyebrows. So I'm going to start by doing like this. Okay.
Do that.
And then we're going to make these kind of like little triangles.
Then come
Okay, now we're going to do the shape of the head. And this might be the trickiest part of the whole
Oh
drawing.
my
Because we're going to start here by his muzzle. And then try to make a circle or an oval around real close to the eye. And then in. So watch me do it first.
that.
Watch me do it first, then you do it. Because if you make his head too big, he won't look so cute. Okay?
Yeah,
So come from here, go close to the eye, up, and then back down close to the eye.
You do it. You do it.
Okay, let's see if I can get this right. Close to the eye, up, then back down, close to the eye, and in.
Oh my gosh.
Ah, nailed it.
That looks so hard. Get up and close. Oh my god. Close to the eye. Very close. Okay.
Okay, his head's a little flat, but that's all right. Not all puppies are the same.
Yeah.
I should have told you maybe make it a little pointier up here, but that's okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now from here, let's make our little guide dots or lines. That's going to be where his ears start.
Here?
Yes. Okay,
Yep.
so they're going to have like a little hair tuft coming
Yeah.
out. So it's going to be like this. Just the up, down, those zigzags.
Wait.
So go up, down, up, down.
Oh, this way, not that. Oh, so this way. Like that.
Up, down, up. Whoa, okay, try to keep them like, don't go down. Go like sideways.
Up, down, up, down.
Yeah, that's okay. Okay, now from there, we're going to go diagonal lines to the side, but keep an eye where you stop.
Okay.
Stop like around the mouth
Oh my
area,
gosh, like
okay?
right
Like don't make his ears super long.
Like there.
You can
stop
if you want
there.
to, but
It's like there.
like right, like here-ish.
Like where
Like
that
just
dot
under
is.
the nose maybe, and try to make them both about the same.
Super
Yep.
there.
Okay, that's a little lower than the nose, but that's fine.
Because it's going to be big.
So the other one you have to do the same.
Stop there. Wait, it goes stop
Well-
here.
Okay. Maybe. Oops. You're gonna make a diagonal line. Okay.
I'm gonna do a dot right where I'm gonna stop.
Okay. Little guide dot. Okay. Go ahead. Yeah, I'm good. Okay,
so
now watch this. This is gonna be. We're gonna come down. This is this ear, and then curve up to the head. So watch this.
Okay.
We're gonna come down, then up to the head.
Oh my gosh, that looks so cute. It goes down.
It's like a big U shape. Down and up. And up to the head. Good. Okay, now finish this line. We're gonna come like imagine it right here and then go like that. This ear is curving down. It's like a S shape, this one. Yeah, so now the same with this one. Down, curve it up to the head, and then finish it off right there. So now you can see kind of like the ear looks like it's folding down.
This one's like wobbling behind him. That's why it's a
Oh,
little bit
behind him.
smaller.
Yeah, well, that happens too. Dogs' wobbly
like-
ears go all over the place.
It's like falling. It's like wobbling. So it's like I'm doing this. It's frozen like that.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now what?
Now we're going to do his paws.
Mine's looking so cute.
Yes, it is. Okay, see this line here? Come
Yeah.
straight down and let's okay, right where the ears
Yeah.
ended, right in the middle, make a dot.
Here.
Yes.
Okay.
Now we're going to go
Mine's
like
like
this.
doing this. That's why its ears are wobbling.
Oh, yeah.
Mine's like leaning to the side.
Go like this. Like that. And then like that. Try to. These are his paws, so try to make them the same.
it's
Mine's a
going
little
up
bigger on
on
one
a
side.
Teapot.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like a flying bird in front of him.
Yeah, it's like a flying bird. Okay, now we're gonna
Just
do
like
like
we did with the chicken video
yes.
with the flying birds.
Mm-hmm. Kind of like a flying bird. Now on each one, we're gonna do 3 lines for his toes. 1, 2, 3. Try to space them evenly. 1, 2, 3.
There. 1, 2, 3.
And now we're gonna join them like this with little curves. Curve and curve.
Not connecting?
Yeah, let's connect it. Whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I might have made my paws a little high here, but that's okay. It'll look cute. Okay, now from here, like just above the last finger, or not finger, what would it be? Toe?
Probably the
Go like this. Go out, and then do a little loop like this.
That's gonna be the
Like a hook.
teacup.
Yeah.
It's gonna go like, cause it's in the teacup, cause it goes like grip.
Mm-hmm.
grip.
It's got its little paws peeking over the teacup. So go out and then hook it.
Okay.
Just a little hook. Yep. Little hook. Okay, now let's do his neck. This is his body. So like right around here, we're going to come down and around. Down and around the paws. Yes, good. So now he's sitting in the teacup, and now we can finish off these hooks up to the body. Yeah.
Mine's a tiny good. Mine's gonna have a smile on it. This teacup that we're doing.
Your teacup's going to have a smile?
Yeah.
Oh, good idea. Okay, now we're going to do our teacup. So
And
watch me first, okay? We're going to make a diagonal line, and then we're going to decide how long our teacup's going to be. So you can take your time. You can go, is that how deep I want it? No, I want mine longer. How about that? Yeah, that looks good to me. So then you're going to do the other side
This deep.
to the same length.
Like that. I want mine teacup.
Yeah, that's looking good. And then once you do that, curve it around. Oh my gosh, that's looking so cute.
I'm gonna do a smile.
Okay, now let's give it a handle. Let's finish the teacup and then you can decorate
so it's like a heart handle?
it. Yeah, actually that is.
goes
It's
like
it's like a
out and
half heart handle. It's like a half heart, and then just give it a little border. Okay, now we're gonna decorate our teacup. So with mine, oh, you're gonna give yours a happy face. I'm gonna make mine have a little message because I'm gonna give my drawing away to somebody to make them smile. Oh, that's so cute. That'll definitely make somebody smile. I'm gonna make like a little paw. Oh, are you gonna write something?
No.
You don't have a lot of room anymore.
I'm gonna do it small.
Oh, okay. I liked your idea of I paw you. So a paw kind of looks like,
I'm gonna do a heart.
it's like an upside down heart, sort of. And then, so you put two lines like that, and then you give them points. Then do another line next to there, and then you give that a point.
I heart
And this, I don't know. Someone might think this looks more like a cat paw or something. Maybe it
Okay.
does. Oh, cute! But doggy paws, they have little toenails, so I'm gonna give little toenails. So mine's gonna say I
love you.
paw
Ooh, paw.
you. Oh, that's adorable. Yours says all kinds of things.
Mine says I heart you.
Let's see if there's anything we're missing. I don't think so. I think we might be ready to color.
Color.
Let's put our markers and get our color markers. Let's color! Okay, we're done with our drawing of this cute Dachshund puppy in a teacup. So you can see that we personalized our teacup with our own message. Addie's message was a little different than mine, and you can put your own message and then give it away to somebody that you care about, because I'm sure they will love it. Also, please be sure to tag us on Instagram or Facebook, because we would love to see what creations you came up with. And Addie, what
Like
else?
and subscribe.
Well, tell them.
There we go. Like and subscribe. Ooh, yeah.
Yes, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us. Keep creating, and we will see you next time.